Hey everyone, welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today we are learning how to do juggler's tennis, which is usually the first trick that people learn after they can juggle 3 balls. If you don't know how to juggle 3 balls already, you can check out this link and I will explain the basics and common problems that people run into when they're learning. You really need to have 3 balls down before you can try to do any other tricks. After you do that, come back here and we are going to learn how to do juggler's tennis. In juggler's tennis, what happens is one ball, it'll be this green ball for today, is going to be going over the other 2 balls, like tennis. So it looks like this. The basis of juggler's tennis is an over-the-top throw. So normally when you juggle, you go an underhand scoop like this, okay? But when you do juggler's tennis, instead of it going underhand like this, you're going to throw over like that. So the basic throw is there. There. Once that feels really comfortable, you can move on to 2 balls. Now that you have 2 balls, we're going to do 2 different variations of the 2-ball exchange that's going to help us do juggler's tennis. For the first version, you're going to throw an over-the-top throw from your dominant hand. Then, right as that one starts to fall, you're going to throw a regular throw from your non-dominant hand. Next, you want to practice doing the regular throw first with your non-dominant hand, then waiting for that to peak normally, and then doing a over-the-top throw with your dominant hand, like this. There are 2 variations that you want to do, and you need to practice them on both sides. So in total, there are 4 different variations of the 2-ball exchange that you need to practice before moving on to 3 balls. Now we have 3 balls, and we're going to slowly build up to doing juggler's tennis. The idea is that you want to juggle your regular 3-ball cascade, and then you're just going to do one over-the-top throw, probably from your dominant hand. Okay, so one over the top, and then back. And you're going to practice this until it's easy. Okay. Once you can do one over-the-top throw with 1 ball, you want to do 2 over-the-top throws with the same ball. So 1, 2, and then go back to juggling normally. Then you want to do 3 over-the-top throws in a row with the same ball. 1, 2, 3, and then it's back to normal. And that's pretty much the idea. You just keep adding 1 extra throw, and then eventually you'll be doing juggler's tennis. Let's talk about some problems that you might run into when you're learning this trick. The main thing that could happen is that your over-the-top throw collides with some of your regular throws. So the key is that you want to create enough space for the over-the-top throw to comfortably go over the pattern. There are 2 ways that you can create enough space for the over-the-top throw. With option 1, you're going to have to throw the over-the-top throw higher, which means it could potentially be less accurate. But the plus side is that you don't have to change your normal cascade throws that much. With option 2, the over-the-top throw is not going to be that high. It's more likely that it'll be accurate. The downside is that you have to juggle the other 2 balls lower and faster. You can see that the balls, the pink and the red ones, are juggled lower, and the green one does not have to go that high. Playing around with it is just something that you should keep in mind as you're learning this trick. Another problem you might have is that this over-the-top throw just keeps going a little bit farther than you would like, and the pattern gets farther and farther out from you until you can't do it anymore. The solution is just to go back to the basics, make sure that you can do the over-the-top throw with 1 ball and then it lands in your other hand without you having to reach too much. Do the 2-ball exchange with the 2 variations we talked about from both sides and make sure that all feels really solid. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the half shower and the reverse cascade, which are also based on the same over-the-top throw that you just learned. See ya! Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe.